Please allow me to say that this is truly a privilege for me to stand here and to share this momentous event with all of you graduating students of not just any university, but one of the top agricultural institutions here in the Philippines, recognized worldwide, the Central Mindanao University. I am truly grateful to be invited here as your guest of honor. Truth be told, I have always admired agriculturists, so much so that I married a licensed agriculturist who just happens to be a senator of the Philippines as well. As you know, over the many years that I have spent with Miguel and being with him, I have learned so much about the industry and the field of agriculture, from the many benefits and the many rewards it has brought to our country, but also the many challenges that it comes with. So similar to farming, cultivating land and harvesting crops, our education at first may seem like soil that is barren and difficult to work with, uncertain and dull. But with your dedication, perseverance, time and effort, as well as your patience, the soil became fertile and your dreams finally became fruitful. In other words, you are now reaping the fruits of what you have sown. And as graduates of agriculture, forestry, and behavioral sciences, I believe that you are now equipped with a sense of responsibility that goes far beyond the four walls of your classrooms. Make no mistake, your degree from the Central Mindanao University comes with a heavy responsibility. You now carry the burden of using what you have learned here to contribute not only to our nation's economy, but also to our country's future. Hence, let me remind you all of your purpose. You are here to plant the seeds of integrity and to grow and nourish a nation of hope. To our agricultural graduates, I know that being in agriculture is not a career, it is a calling. And so, I hope you will always remember why you pursued this noble calling. Because agriculture is the backbone of our economy, the source of livelihood for many, and the lifeblood of each Filipino household. In essence, its essence must not be confined to merely feeding Filipinos. Agriculture plays a crucial role in the stability of our economy, providing livelihood and ensuring national food security, maintaining a sustainably productive and climate change resilient cycle for our environment, which is more than any time now so truly needed by our country. To our forestry graduates, I want you to look at the state of forestry in a bigger picture. Our forests are not mere sources of lumber and food. They serve as shelter for many, as lungs for us and our environment, and as our protector from disasters and climate change, and the giver of life to our flora and fauna. Despite all these, however, our forests continuously suffer from exploitation, irreversible damage, and land conversion. As forestry graduates, I urge you to make a difference. Be the stewards of nature, preserve our environment, and protect our forests for future generations. Finally, to our behavioral science graduates, I want you to keep in mind that your contribution to society may seem unfamiliar to some, but your insights are profoundly evident in all of our lives. Your field drives change and helps create a more equitable society. It gives us a unique opportunity to gain insight in understanding communities, their preferences, and how we can solve their needs through policy making. I am sure that you are all aware of what is happening all around our country now. All of you are very social media savvy. I know everyone here is constantly glued to what is happening on TikTok or Instagram. And I'm sure you have all seen how our headlines are dominated now by stories of greed. And the streets all over our country are flooded by the consequences of corruption. That is why our nation needs you more than ever to be more than skilled professionals. It needs all of you to come forward as leaders who choose honesty over shortcuts, the public interest over personal gain. As agriculturists, forestry graduates, and scientists of behavior, you of all people know there is no shortcut to a harvest and to scientific results. It entails hard work and discipline. It entails the scientific process which must be followed step by step without any shortcuts and without any cheating. And so, in a world that demands instant results, fame, and power, I urge all of you to stick to what you have learned here. Stick to the process. Bring forward your character and patience, shaped by years of education and shaped by your experience in agriculture and science. Let your hands be calloused by hard work, not dirty deeds. As we know, in forestry, in farming, in science, the harvest always reflects what has been sown. And here in CMU, I am very confident of the seeds that have been sown in all of you. These are seeds of integrity. These are seeds of conscience. And I trust that you will be the harvest that breaks the cycle of corruption in our world.